turn this over. And now I gotta put these washers in. This is the thrust. Oh, washers. Darn it. Springs. There we go. See, so I got that thrust spring in there. Yep, they're bottoming out because I need to put the, actually I got to put the, what do you call that, Jewel? Idle speed screw in. Oh no, there it is. Oh, I got to put the cross. But anywho, here I need to put this guy. Is that all the way out? There we go. Put this spring in. Stay. So you already have those springs in because I already did that. Got that thrust spring in there. Turn this around. Yeah, that worked well. Now, what spring is missing on this side? This one. Now I've got one more, which is that one. Oh, okay. So there we go. So, I've got every spring in. I've got the thrust spring, I've got the synchronizer spring on this side, got the thrust spring and the synchronizer spring on this side. Got the thrust spring and the synchronizer springs on this side. Synchronizer and thrust spring. Okay. Next is I gotta put this. What, I don't know what they call it, but it goes between here and there. This thing goes like that. So what we need to do is make sure I can get this cotter pin out. And I think, is it one or two? Okay, that's two. So, need to take that one out. Need to put this in place. I gotta put this one back. Put that back. And the cotter pin. Now the cotter pin gets wrapped around, as with all cotter pins. Get it out of the way. There we go. And this one around. There we go. Good. Now I may or may not, maybe I should not have done that one first, because this one's gonna be, yeah. Let's see. This one is fun. So take this cotter pin out. This whole set of washers. Whoops, took one too many out on that. There we go. Let me put this back on. Alright. I'm gonna hold this open as much as practical. Up to the side here because I can't see. Oh, dummy. That was stupid. Okay, come on in there. There we go. These two guys. Drop this down. It's the garbage truck. You know what? That works. Look at that. Cool. Yep. Alright, we're all good there. This is the master carburetor. If you want to call it the master, it's the main carburetor. It's the one that the throttle cable's attached to. It's the one with the idle speed screw. This is the throttle link to link this group to that group. So I'm bottom out on this butterfly. That one's open and that one is open. Now I'm going to pre-synchronize. So I'm going to turn this light on. What I want to do is, see, this is the main carburetor. Everything works off of this one. So it's bottomed out. So I'm going to take this, see if I move this over and take this light, if you look at the top of that butterfly, you'll see the light coming through. So what I'm going to do is tighten this synchronizer until that light just disappears. There, that's very close to what that one is. Now let's see if I move this over here. See the light? Go ahead and tighten this up. Oops, sorry. Till that light disappears. Okay. Here's the throttle link between that bank and this bank. And this one connects to this, so I'm going to do this one first. Okay, now turn this until the light just disappears. There we go. Let's do this one. Just until the light disappears. Yeah. I'll move this to there. Switch hands. Tighten this one up until that light just disappears. So I'm going to test. Okay, did that change anything here? Nope. Did that change? Nope. Did that change this one? No light. No light. No light. Turn that off. All right, there we go. Back as a whole assembly.